Preview.
In the last lesson, we have completed unwrapping the base part of the spark plug. In this lesson, we will be unwrapping this upper section of the spark plug. Make sure that you have selected this and go to the UV menu and select the cylindrical projection from the drop-down menu. You can see the projection is created for the selected object, and you can see the UV shell for the selected object in UV editor. Again, the UV shell is not looking good. Easy to solve. Go back to your perspective view and move the cylindrical projection handle a little bit on X direction as we did with the base part. Now you can see the UV shell is looking good. Now right click in the UV editor and select all the UVs of active shell. Go into the unfold section of UV toolkit and make sure the straighten UV amount is set to 25 and click on the straighten UV button. This will allow the UVs to align in the straight line as you can see here. Now you can go into the perspective view and check how the checkers look after the unwrapping. You can see the checkers are stretchy vertically. To solve that, go to the UV editor and select all the UVs and scale on y-axis so that checkers look square. And also decrease the overall size of the selected shell to match the size of both the checkers. Once you are happy with the size, select all the UV shells of both the selected object and go to the arrange and layout section of UV toolkit and click on the layout button. Again, this will arrange all the selected UV shell in the UV layout. Now you can see we have completed the unwrapping of these two parts and left with the upper part. As we will be using the same process to unwrap this section also, I will be pausing this video right now and come back after unwrapping the upper section. You can see I have completed the unwrapping of the upper section. I have divided the upper section in 3 parts for the unwrapping purposes. I can simply combine all 3 parts that I have divided after completing unwrapping of a spark plug. Now if I select all 5 sections of the spark plug, you can see all are unwrapped properly and arranged in the UV layout. Now we have just left with these 3 small pieces. In this lesson we will be unwrapping only these 2 pieces. So let's start with this piece first. Make sure it is selected and go to the UV menu. Select cylindrical projection from the drop down menu. Now you can see new UV shell is created. Right click on the UV editor and select the UV of this section and click unfold. You can see the UV shell is unfolded but not straight. To make this UV shell perfect, I will divide this shell into 3 sections. First, select this edge loop of the UV shell and click cut. Now right click and select UV. Double click on the UV to select the whole shell. Move it down a little bit. And now click on the straighten UV button. This will align the UV shell in the straight line except the top row. Select the top row and click on the align button. This will align that row in a straight line. Now we will create the second section. For that, select this edge loop and click on the cut button. Again right click and select UV. Double click on the UV to select the shell. Just move it down a little bit. Now click on the unfold to unfold the UV shell. This will give us a donut type of shape. Now we have to merge both the shell together. For that, select all the top edge of this UV shell. Now shift plus right click on the UV and select move and sweep. This will merge both the UVs together. The UV shell is not looking great. That's okay. Now select UVs of the whole shell by double clicking. Move the shell a little bit. Select the UVs of this section and click on the unfold button. This will give us a better UV now. Now select the UV shell, rotate a little bit to align with the UV layout. Now we will be using the align tool to make this shell as straight as we did with the other shells. For that, select the UV of this corner first and click on the align left button. Same for the second line. Select the UV and click align left. One by one we have to align each line of this UV and align left. Once that is done, we have to align the horizontal UVs. For that, select this edge loop, convert the selections to UV by clicking on Ctrl F12 and click on the Align button. Same for this edge. Select edge loop, convert to UV selection and click on Align button. Repeat the same process for other two edges at the top and one at the bottom. Now our UVs looks perfect. Now select the shell, scale to match the UV size with the other parts. This looks fine for me. For this section we will keep as it is, as this is not visible in our scene. Make sure to scale that shell also to match with the other part. Now keep these shells in one side and let's start working with the last piece.